Moving on to the next exercise, we're going to go into the bird dog. Same exact positioning. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath your hips, fist distance between your knees. Really important so you can activate your core. This is a little different. When you do this exercise, I don't want you to stretch your arms and legs out. When you do that, you're not able to stabilize the muscles in the spine. So before we start this, we're going to activate the core. I want you to pretend that there's a rope. Remember this core activation? Pulling at the top of your head, stretching your spine, and activating, tightening up all these muscles. You can also pretend there's a rope at the bottom of the spine. So the spine is being pulled, and all those muscles around it, I'm going to poke Ron a little bit and make sure that all his muscles are going nice and snug before he starts the exercise. Make sure he's stable. Once you're stable, let's go ahead and have you slide your right hand forward, thumb up. Don't stretch it forward, just bring it forward as if you're going to shake someone's hand. Now take the side of the right hand and push it down into the mat or the bed, wherever you're doing the exercise. Push it down. Wait until you feel all the muscles in the arm tighten up into the lats, the underneath the armpit, down into the shoulder blade. Hold that tightness in the shoulder blade and then raise your arm up, just an inch or two. Keep the tightness in the armpit, in the shoulder blade. If you lose it, don't worry about it. Just pull the arm back into the socket. Then pull both shoulder blades down your back. Turn your head side to side and make sure you're not tightening up in the sides of the neck, in your upper traps. Okay? Bring the arm back down. Now let's walk your hands and make sure that most of the weight is on the back of the legs. And then also push your tush back slightly. Push your glutes back. This allows for that natural curve in your lower back, your neutral spine. Reactivate the core. Pretend that rope is pulling in both directions, snugging up, and slide the left hand forward, thumb up. Press the arm into the mat, thumb up. Same thing. Tense up into the armpit, down into the shoulder blade. Hold that tightness, lift the arm up. If you're really holding, you really can't lift the arm up more than an inch or two. If you get any pain in your shoulder joint, please bring your arm out to the side slightly. That opens up any impingement in the shoulder joint. Bring both shoulder blades down your back, check your neck, and bring the arm back down to the mat. As you get stronger, you can hold it for longer. Let's now work on your legs. Again, walk your hands, reset your core, pretend the string is pulling, tightening everything up. And now, let's go ahead and slide your right leg back, just straight back. Don't stretch it too far back, point your foot, and try to press the top of your foot into the floor. Tighten up the leg so it sticks straight as you can get it. And then when you feel it tighten up in your glutes, hold that tightness and lift the leg just an inch or two. I don't want you to rotate in your spine. And I also don't want you to come over onto the left side. Try to keep in the middle. Ron's coming a little bit over, so I'm just going to bring him back over to the middle and take him out of rotation. So sometimes it's good to do these in front of a mirror. Pull your shoulder blades down your back to pull yourself into the core, check your neck, and bring the leg back down. Make sure there's a fist distance between your knees. Walk your hands, reset your core, and slide the left leg back. Press it into the ground, tighten it up. Feel like there's a lightning rod going through your leg, up into your glute. Hold that tightness, and then lift your leg just an inch or two. Again, try to stay in the middle, pull the shoulder blades down the back, hold that, check your neck, and then bring your leg back down. Now, as you get stronger with this, You might want to try doing an arm and an opposite leg, but at first, just do one arm and one leg at a time. We'll demonstrate for you an opposite arm and leg, but don't rush this because you don't want to be falling all over the place when you do this, okay? So let's go ahead and stretch out the left arm, press it into the ground, feel the tightness, lift the arm up, bring back the right leg, press it into the ground, feel the tightness. It takes a good 3 seconds, and then bring it up, hold it, pull the shoulder blades down, check the neck. And remember, if you can't do these down on a mat, you can do these in your bed, on the couch. If you can't kneel, you can do them over an exercise ball or over a sturdy chair, okay? So there's lots of modifications. Bring your leg back down. Let's repeat on the other side, but let's first walk your hands. Get the weight on the legs, slide the right hand forward, press it in, and lift. Slide the left leg back, press it in. That was nice. He brought his hip down, tightened up the glutes. Bring the leg up just an inch, pull the shoulder blades down, hold it, keep checking your necks. It's not worth getting tight in your neck. Any pain in your shoulders, just bring your arms out to the side slightly. Any pain in your back, pull up through your belly button, up to the chest, okay? Come on down, and let's move into our next exercise.